Good morning. It is Thursday morning, the 11th of February, 2021. Weather briefing, storm scoop update. I am meteorologist Steve Krasnowski. Let's jump in. There's a lot of things happening out there, all around us. So let's take a look. Here's our IM weather map. We have our ice storm in the heart of the country. Storm warnings, big stretch. Big chunk. Fog again for the south. It's happening a lot this year. I'm going to pull this out west real quick. Since I'm speaking of ice and snow, Portland's locked and loaded with warnings, including blizzard warnings for the Columbia River Gorge as that same Arctic air mass spills towards the west coast and interacts with a surge of moisture coming in off the Pacific. Let's look at that cold there. Here's the Euro. It's probably the coldest air mass in 25 to 30 years expected for the southern plains Sunday into Tuesday. Single digits deep into the heart of Texas. It's pretty crazy stuff. I mean, it's going beyond there into Mexico. So that will lead to some wild times ahead. We're watching system for Saturday. Light snow potentially, changing to sleet and freezing rain Sunday morning. Low confidence right now on the precip type and amount. Looks like about a half inch of precip, so we have to look at ratios and tracks and that sort of thing. So fun few days ahead of us. Graphically, this is what for Sunday what the models are pulling. It looks pretty solid in terms of consensus for New York and surrounding areas being more of an ice or mix event. More of a mix. And here's some icing right in like Westchester, cutting through northern New Jersey, back into Allentown. So here's, and here's Tuesday. Stronger system, bigger deal. Could be snow to ice, although the new GFS is mainly snow north of the city. It's going to be complex. Models will go back and forth over this time, and just to show some colorful maps throughout the next 7 or 8 days. This is what the GFS is cooking out, so experiencing all of these things. Same thing for the Euro. The Euro sees a little more ice, a little more snow, a little less rain, which is nice. Anyway, that will do it for me today. We'll get a little more honed in on the Saturday event tomorrow, and then we'll be back on Monday to talk about the Tuesday event, and then later in the week, it's just the snow train. Get on board. Meteorologist Steve Krasnowski.